This has quickly become one of my favorite vehicles. I'm averaging, loaded or not, I average 28 miles to the gallon. If I drive conservatively, which doesn't happen often, I could actually get 32 miles to the gallon out of that truck, unloaded. Loaded is still about 28, if you drive it conservative. If you put your foot in it, it gets closer to 22, 24, depending on how long your foot stays in it. But yeah, I got no complaints about that thing. Plenty of torque. When I mash that fuel throttle down, it goes. When it gets up to out of passing gear, it's ready to transfer into the boosted range. Yeah, she's like a rocket. Now, she's not a rocket. I don't have her tuned or anything else. The only thing I got done to it is still just the cold air intake. Of course, I need to, I've asked several people, several YouTubers even, if they'd let me bring it out and let them spray it. If I got all this stuff sprayed off of it, or scraped off of it and sanded down, all that. Goes up the same way up here. All spider webbed and the roof's ruined. That rust going right there. You see the clear coat cracking right there, badly. And that's where I was shooting my 380 and it ricocheted. Shooting an old wood pallet. Ricocheted and made that little ding right there. Made a distinct mark. But yeah, all this stuff, you can see I started peeling the pinstripe off right there already. I had to stop right there because I had to go. And got a little mark back there too. That little scrape, that's all I got wrong with the tailgate. Easy fix. Just need to get at it. Of course, I can't do that until I get where I'm going. And it's probably going to be a while after that even. All right. Yeah, since I'm still toting this thing around, I'm not tight mounting the oh shoot, not tight mounting the handle in it. Yeah, you can see how it's all dented up in here. It's all bounced down and ate into my tire. camera. Same thing I'm still talking to.
Oh, sorry.
Wow. Thing did not want to come off. Don't sit on that. That's ridiculous. Put it on with a. They put these on with a air hammer too. Most of them are coming off, but that one.
It won't matter if you can't get one of them off.
I know. I have to get a breaker bar or something. And it might not take it off then. Roll it forward a little bit and then back. Doggone. That's retarded.
Yep. You may end up having to take the trailer in just to get it loose.
No, I ain't taking it in. I'm not driving it another foot like this. The only reason I drove it this far is to get it here. It's called determination, dear. Batting 1,200 foot-pounds of net busting torque. Oh man, my rim's bent.
I had a feeling it might be.
Hell, it may have been before. That might be part of the reason that this thing let me down like it did. Well, wow.
Yeah, so I let Alex have my card. He said this morning, I messaged him and said my card. He said it's on the counter. Crap, I can't see it. I'm gonna have to have Bree sign it. And then I asked Bree, because I never saw it on the counter either, after he brought my food in. So it must be in his wallet or something, I hope.
88.
Because I was going to go earlier today and go to Walmart and get him his food.
This may be the 88 inch because I just measured to here. Here, this plate to the plate on the other side's 84, and it's 87, I think, to the rim. I think it's an inch narrower than this one, which is why it does the little fishtailing thing.
You whine if I keep you in, you whine if I bring you out. I'm going to put you in a trunk.
Anyway, this is the replacement axle I got when they one bearing and rim and everything decided to go leave us from the other side. Anyway, get a new tire on this thing, get it back to the house. Yeah, see right here where it was rubbing? Look at all that. Fresh, pliable steel rubber. So yeah, that whole pole's got to come off, which I really don't need it anyway. It's more for looks than anything. But that's all I got for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I will chat with you again later.